Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go on Google and type Google Sites and click on the first link that pops out, or go to sites.google.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your Google account and you will be logged into Google Sites immediately. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, we have plenty of how-to Google site videos on our YouTube channel where you can go and check out how you can do everything. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official website of Google Sites where we have a lot of different options. So first of all, we have the option where you can start a new site. So basically you can go and click on blank site and start your one from scratch. Or guys, you can go and see some other options you can get. So family update, portfolio, event, help center, or project. So basically you can go and click on one of those. Here also you can see recent sites and who are they owned by. And here you can of course start your own site. As you can see in the top left corner guys, we have site, classic site, doc, sheet, slide, forms, etc. Some other stuff of about Google. And in top right corner we have everything about your Google, where you can go of course and log out if you want. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Google Sites to make a portfolio. Well, when you're on the official website here, you can click on the option of portfolio here, and then when this page loads, you can then basically go and when it create your portfolio here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.